scars and wounds, but you will never see these cuts. Burnt down to the core, ashes with the dust. I just always rush, I think way too much. But now I call your bluff out in the dark. I'm a night rider, head down, flying fast, skydiver. Didn't make the cut like it's live wire. Thread the needle like I'm Maya. Out in the dark, I'm a night rider, night rider. Ooh. Yeah, yeah. I'm a night rider, night rider. Ay, ay. 24 hours, still thinking about you. Ooh, ooh. But I know I gotta change. Just playing with my brain and I'm riding with no rule. Ooh, ooh. I'm a night rider.
Theme song, my leather black jeans on, my by any means on, part and I'm getting my scream on. Enter the kingdom, but watch it you bring home. You see a black man with a white woman at the top floor, they gon' come to kill King Kong. Middle America packed in, came to see me in my black skin. Number one question they asking, fuck every question you asking. 4 in the morning and I'm zoning, they say I'm possessed. It's the omen, I keep it 300, like the Romans, 300 bitches. We're the Trojans, baby we living in the moment. I've been a menace for the longest, but I ain't finished. I'm devoted, and you know it, and you know it. So follow me up, cause this shit about to go. I'm doing 500, I'm out of control. But there's nowhere to go, and there's no way to slow. If I knew what I knew in the past, I would've been blacked out on your ass.